How to delete account on Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's guide video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can delete your account on Messenger, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete account on Messenger, which means you want to remove a specific account from the Messenger's login list, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch the Messenger app, and you'll be able to see this type of interface where you just have to tap the three lines icon from the left hand side of the screen here, and then you're going to see this interface again. Then what you need to do is, if I just tap on my name over here, you'll be able to see two accounts in this case. Now these are the pages, so do not count them, but there are two accounts in my Messenger and I want to remove the other one. So if you want to remove the other one, you want to make sure you're not logged into that, because if I'm logged into this account, I'll not be able to remove this account. If I'm logged into this account, I'll not be able to remove this. So just do the vice versa of what you're willing to do. And now to remove the account, what do we do? Because all you have to do is, even if you long press on it, you can see this option called this trash icon here. Now sometimes what happens is that if you don't find that, then in that case you can just swipe left like this from their name, and this trash icon will basically pop up. When you tap on the trash icon, it means that you can delete that account on Messenger. So this way you can delete account on Messenger. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.